Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to wash a jacket in a washing machine. I'll tell you how to treat stains, what detergent to use and how to properly dry your jacket after washing. Before you start the main wash, you need to treat all stains on the jacket. We will need 100 ml of warm water, 1 teaspoon of ammonia and 1 teaspoon of laundry soap. These jackets have synthetic filler, but this method is suitable if you want to wash a down jacket. The jacket should be washed with a washing capsule or liquid gel. It is best to wash one jacket in one wash. It is best to choose either delicate mode or wool. The optimal temperature for washing is 30 or 40 degrees Celsius. Select a spin speed of 600 maximum 800 RPM and be sure to include an extra rinse. You can dry your jacket outside or in a well-ventilated room after washing. Lay it out on a clothes dryer or on a chair. Now you know how to wash a jacket in a washing machine so that it is not damaged, is washed well and there are no stains left on it. And how to wash very dirty areas of the jacket. I hope you liked these tips. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.